Hey guys, what is going on? I am Dr. Linz, and today this is going to be an epic short review because I'm reviewing 3 shorts. I'm going to be comparing the differences to help you better pick out some shorts that fit you, girl, because that's what I'm here to do. But before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, so you never miss another helpful video. Okay, so all of these shorts I have linked up below. It does help support me when you shop directly, which I truly appreciate it. And also let me know, have you tried on any of these shorts in the comments? I would love your opinion. Let's go ahead, we're gonna start from my least favorite, and then we're gonna move to my mostest favorite, okay? And we're gonna compare the different features. I'm gonna explain to you what I like about each of them, all right? So first we got the Speed short from Lululemon, the Speed short. All right, these are my OG shorts from Lulu. I was wearing these like 10 years ago, okay? They still have the same short, which speaks volumes with how awesome this is. A lot of people must be wearing them if they still keep these shorts around. Some things that I do like the flexibility of this band, okay? So it does stretch, so if you've got a bigger waist, it stretches. If you got a smaller waist, you can cinch it up with this continuous draw cord, which I will mention, all of the shorts have that continuous draw cord, and it's not annoying. It doesn't, poke your stomach or anything like that, and it's stretchy, which I like that. Okay, so for this short in general, it does hit me a little bit shorter compared to the other shorts. Back in the day, I didn't mind that with this Speed short, but now I do prefer my shorts to be a little bit longer for myself. Another thing about the Speed Up short, reason why it's my least favorite at the moment is because of where it hits me on the belly. Okay, it's not a high-waisted short. Nowadays, I like high-waisted things, so that's why, one of the big reasons why it's my least favorite. One of the cool features that I like, you got your little zipper in the back, pretty standard here, but you can put, your credit card in there, your driver's license, whatever you need, some cash in that back pocket. Just like all the other shorts then, the built-in undies are stretchy, which I like because it will fit your booty and doesn't leave a weird line. So, least favorite, Speed Up short. Not a bad short, I have like 5 of them, but again, a little bit shorter nowadays than what I care for and a little bit lower waisted. Next up, we have the Hotty Hot short, the 4-inch girl. Okay, these are new for me. I really enjoy these short. I'm not really used to wearing the Hotty Hot short at this point, so that's why I think I placed it in the middle here, okay? So as far as the waistband goes, I can pull it up and make it higher. It sits right below my belly button, which I do like. That's a fine height for me. And then with the waistband itself, it is thicker compared to like the Speed Up short because it's higher. Did that make sense? That was confusing. The Speed Up short band is thicker, but it's lower, so it doesn't hit right on my stomach where I like it. Another cool feature that none of the other shorts have, okay, is that it has a nice straight line across, which makes it nice and smooth on your belly. And then it's cinched the rest of the way, which I think is comfortable and also cute. Another cute thing that Lulu has is their little side pocket here. This is in the Hotty Hot short and in the Tracker short. I like it because you can use this pocket. It's not hidden in the back like the Speed Up short where it is hard to get to in the back there. I don't like it. It's hard to get to and it's awkward. So we got the side pocket in the Hotty Hot short. Last thing that's a standout with this Hotty Hot short, especially when we're comparing it to the Tracker short and even the Speed Up short, is that they are shorter in the front and longer in the back, which I don't mind that because I'm still getting my booty covered. In the front, it kind of shows those quads a little bit, and if you're running in these shorts, then they're not going to cinch up as much, or if you're even squatting in them, which is something that I would do in these Hotty Hot shorts, they're not going to scrunch up as much. So overall, the Hotty Hot short is my second in the middle between the Tracker and the Speed Up. They're not as high-waisted. They're a little bit shorter, but the material is light and airy, and I really like that about these Hotty Hot shorts. Last but not least, we got the Tracker short. These have been my go-to short for a couple years now, if I can recall correctly. This is going to be my favorite short. One of the biggest things that I love about these is the thick waistband. The thick waistband, I can pull them up high on me. I'm liking that high waist, trend right now. I'm eating it up. So I feel like I can pull these up higher, and I like where it hits me on my belly button and on my waist. It draws it in nice. And with that, when I pull it up, the length is still good. So I like the length of these as well, and this is why they are a standout for me. Now, like I said, we got the side pocket as well, just like the Hotty Hot short. I love that. And the one thing I noticed too, okay, I just mentioned it at the end of the Hotty Hot short, is that this material, the tracker material, is a little bit thicker than the Hotty Hot short. That is something to take note of, especially during these warmer months. But hey, I live in Florida and the tracker shorts have felt just fine to me. So overall, why is the tracker short my favorite? How it hits me on the waist and the length, and it's very comfortable. Okay, so tracker short wins me over 100%. Last but not least, what size am I? Well, I wear a size 8 in all of the shorts, and in leggings, for reference, I wear a size 4. I think a big reason why I have to size up so much is because I do have bigger legs and my waist is smaller-ish. So with that, I size up. All of them fit my waist just fine because of the drawstring. It leaves it nice and flexible. If you guys have any questions about sizing, drop it below. Feel free to compare for yourself through the links that I have linked below. And until next time, we will talk to you later.